Carlos Timothy here at
Well, hey,
This is game.
back,
This is game.
back up,
yes.
sir. In headquarters, there's an
Yes.
army tasering us.
This is the game. This is the game, guys.
No, sir.
Back up. Copy that. I will go back.
Back up, sir. Back. What are you doing, man? You know the rules.
Nah, I don't remember anything. This is game.
Who soldier test you? Whose name?
Please don't do that again, sir.
Nah, I will do that again.
Oh, it's not. It's not. It's not following the rules, sir.
Why?
That one say Belago is not following the rules, sir.
Right. You not comply, sign. So please don't test general. Call admin immediately now, or call the FG or the FG. Dismiss him. What happened to you, Sasai? I'm talking to you. What happened to you?
I don't know. I don't know, sir. I don't know.
Why you don't know? Why you test my general?
Because he's fucking me.
Why?
I don't know.
You stay here. Can you talk to me at the HQ now? Follow me at
Okay, sir.
HQ. Okay, sir, I'll still come. Who see that come with me now?